Okay, well, first of all, we want to welcome you, and we want to thank you for joining us as we're kicking off Career Tech Month at Lima Senior High School. So this is a month that gives us an opportunity to share with the community all of the amazing students and the work that they've been doing. And we're also eager to tell you about some exciting new things that are coming to our Career Tech program. So we're here today in our construction trades classroom with all of the state-of-the-art equipment that's needed for the wonderful hands-on learning that takes place for our students who can have success both here and in the future. You'll find the same environments in all of the programs that we have here. Agriculture education, which is new, auto technology, culinary and food service management. We have early childhood education, engineering technology, graphic communications, marketing education, which we call DECA, patient care technology, metal and welding and metal fabrication, and we also have the world of work. Now, Career Tech is a vital piece of what we do here at Lima Senior High School, providing an additional level of options for our students and our programs that set a foundation and a pathway for student success, whether their future is in the workforce or in higher education. What makes our Career Tech so special, we feel, is because we're never satisfied. We always believe that there are more offerings out there for our students. So we're always striving to do more, come up with bigger ideas, think outside of the box. And this has been a pretty big year for us because we started the agriculture education program, which has a 30-acre farm, and we expect that program to keep growing in substance and popularity. We're also excited because we're going to be adding another new program, audio engineering technology. You will hear more about that in a few minutes. But we also know that our Career Tech needs to reach the younger students is critical. And as we're not able to necessarily put little kids in a welding lab or here in the building in construction trades classroom, we know that there are plenty of skills related to our Career Tech program that the smaller kids can learn now. We've created a model in Lima City schools that brings Career Tech skills to our elementary students and continues to nurture those skills all the way through high school. And in doing so, our students are then better prepared to make choices when they get here as to what academic pathway, whether it's in Career Tech or not, when they get to Lima Senior High. So, we're also very, very excited to introduce our new Career Tech Program Coordinator, Courtney Morris. He's new with us this year, and he's got a lot of great ideas. And so I'm going to allow him to talk about the audio engineering technology program that's coming to Lima Senior High.
Thank you, Mrs. Ackerman. Yes, so our new program starting next year is going to be audio engineering technology. And what this really consists of is the idea that in Lima City and the surrounding counties, and in fact, pretty much in the United States, audio engineering, music, the music that you listen to, music that goes on movies, videos, any type of entertainment, those types of things is a really, really big industry right now. Even we've seen over COVID, during the time of COVID, that it has expanded and the market has expanded in that as well. And so, of course, as Mrs. Ackerman said, we want to stay in the front lines. We want to stay ahead of the game. And so adding this new program, when we look at the surrounding areas and what our students are interested in, as well as the job market, we know that audio engineering technology is going to be very successful. Students will get to work in 2 of our new state-of-the-art recording studios that we're going to be putting in, as well as some music theory, post-production, a little bit of marketing, just a whole slew of different ideas and ways where they can expand their knowledge in audio engineering. If students want to go on to college classes afterwards, they'll be able to do that because they'll leave here with 4 different credentials in Pro Tools, which is one of the top programs and software that they'll be using in that program as well. And so that's going to be our new program, Audio Engineering Technology. I also want to talk just a little bit about what Mrs. Ackerman was saying with us getting our career tech education all the way down into our elementary years. And I'm going to show you guys something here real quick. And this is a prototype for our new CTE Skills in a Box. And pretty much what this is going to do is inside of here, we asked all of our program instructors, what are 5 skills that you really think are most valuable for your program? What would you like your students to know when they come into your program? And so they sent me those 5 skills, and then myself as well as a couple of the other instructors, we have been taking all of those skills and making them developmentally appropriate for all of the other age groups that we have in our district. And so then skills in a box like these, they might look a little bit different in shape and size depending on what the skills are inside of here. We'll then venture into all of the other schools in our district, so that way these students and these teachers can continue to teach career education throughout our district, so that way these students are ready to succeed when they get up to us here in the high school. So those are the 2 kind of exciting things that we have getting ready to do here for this next year. At this time, I'm going to allow one of our students to go ahead and introduce himself and talk a little bit about the construction trades program.
My name is Clavius Upshaw. I'm a junior at Lima Senior High School. Construction trades is a opportunity to get career in building and learning how to stay active and learning how to build. We currently also working on a house and learning how to build chairs and other objects, things of them.
So one of the things that I wanted to show you, I brought along to show you, was when you are a student at Lima Senior High, we have career pathways. All of our high school students, starting with the class of 2023, are now required to have a graduation plan in place. So we're currently working with our 8th graders even to start to have those conversations about their goals for high school. So when we have these conversations, kids can think about that career path that they want to take, and then they have an actual outline of courses that they would follow through the high school to follow that career path. Now, are they able to move around as they get more involved here and they see other opportunities that interest them? Absolutely. But we do have these types of materials that will show the different options for those pathways and courses that they can take. So with that being said, we'll open it up for any questions or individual interviews that you might do.